Hello students, I am Satyanarayana Saha. You are watching SNS World YouTube channel. आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Today I am going to teach about past tense. At first we see the structure. Simple past, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. In simple past, subject plus verb to. I went. In past progressive, subject plus was, where, verb 1, ing form. I was going. Past perfect, subject had, verb had form. I had gone. Past perfect progressive, subject had been, verb 1, ing form. I had been going. These are the structure. Simple past, I went. Past progressive, I was going. Past perfect, I had gone. Past perfect progressive, I had been going. At first you keep in mind structure. Then I am going to discuss how you use. When you use simple past. Simple past use when adverb yesterday, last year. I suppose verb is go, yesterday. Then you verb second form. I went yesterday. Used to, my father used to walk in the morning. It is a habit. Before your father went to work in the morning. In past progressive, I was going. In the case when you use when anything happened in the past. When thief entered, they were sleeping. When thief entered, they were sleeping. In this case, thief entered at the time. What were they doing? They were sleeping. When the teacher entered the class, the students were sitting silently. Two action is going on. In this case, we use past progressive. And past perfect. Past perfect when the work completed, or if two actions. When I reached the bus stand, the boss had left. Here, when I reached the bus stand, the boss had left. Boss already gone. Means it is first action. And second action, when the doctor arrived, the patient had died. Arrival of the doctor and death of the patient. Next, we go to past perfect progressive. In past perfect progressive, when I reached Delhi, he had been living there. Means what? हम जब दिल्ली गए थे वो वहां पर रहा था. At that time that action was going on. So today what you learn about past tense. Past tense, when you used simple past tense, if that action happened in the past, जो घटना पहले घट चुका है. जैसे हमारा पापा वो पहले मॉर्निंग वॉक में जा रहे थे. माई फादर वेंट फॉर वॉकिंग. और पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव व्हेन द एक्शन वाज गोइंग ऑन, जो घटना घट रहा था उस टाइम. जिस तरह एक टीचर जाने का समय स्टूडेंट लोग शांत से बैठे थे, दो घटना में यूज होता है. और पास्ट परफेक्ट, जो घटना घट गया था, पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव, उसका स्ट्रक्चर व्हेन आई रीच्ड दिल्ली ही हैड बीन लिविंग देयर. यहाँ पर दो घटना दिया गया है. जब हम दिल्ली को गए वहां पर वो रह रहे थे. तो इसको अच्छा से तुम लोग समझ गए होंगे. लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट दिस वीडियो. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.